Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an encouragement letter. What is an encouragement letter? An encouragement letter is a heartfelt message written to motivate, support, or uplift someone, often during challenging times or to celebrate achievements, with the aim of providing emotional support and inspiration. These letters are typically filled with words of encouragement, praise, and positivity to boost the recipient's spirits and confidence. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an encouragement letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, just like letters in general, you need to write your information. Yes, write your full name. Under it, write your home address. Don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also write your contact information like phone number or email address. And then, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, you need to write the information about the recipient. Here, you must write their full name. Under it, write the home address of the recipient. When you do it, include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After completing these information, you can now open the letter with a salutation. Simply, write "Dear," followed by the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, it is about greeting and expression of well wishes. Here, you can start with a warm greeting to the recipient. For example as, "I hope this letter finds you well." And then, you can express your hope that they are well. Mention also the purpose of the letter. Yes, it is to offer encouragement and support during a challenging time. So, you can write something like, "I wanted to take a moment to offer some words of encouragement and support, during what I understand is a challenging time for you." In the second paragraph, this is where you give acknowledgement of challenges. Yes, recognize that life can present unexpected obstacles. For example, you may write, "Life often throws unexpected obstacles our way. And I want you to know that you're not facing them alone." Besides that, you should acknowledge the recipient's strength, resilience, and determination. This will mean a lot to the recipient, and you can convey that their qualities have been a source of inspiration for you. In this letter, the writer encouraged the recipient by writing, "Your strength, resilience, and determination have always been sources of inspiration for those around you, including me." Sure, you can write your own language here. The point is, encourage the recipient. In the third paragraph, this part will be nice if you shower the recipient with words of encouragement. In this case, you need to express your belief in the recipient's inner strength. For example as, "I firmly believe that you have the inner strength to overcome whatever challenges are in your path." And of course, you can encourage them to see setbacks as temporary and opportunities for growth. For example, you may write, "Remember that setbacks are temporary. And they often lead to even greater accomplishments." Yes, you need to emphasize the importance of staying focused on their goals and dreams. Your words are powerful here. They can encourage and motivate the reader. So, be wise when you write it. For example, you may write, "Keep your focus on your goals and dreams. And know that I have faith in your ability to achieve them." Just imagine if you receive these words, if you feel encouraged, then you are doing the correct thing. In the fourth paragraph, you can offer the support for the recipient. To do so, you need to extend your willingness to support and be a listening ear. For example, you can write, "If there's anything I can do to support you, or if you ever need someone to talk to, please don't hesitate to reach out." And it is highly recommended that you remind the recipient that they have a network of people who care about them. Never let the recipient think he or she is alone in this world. So you may write, you have a network of people who care about you, and believe in your abilities. They may forget how strong they are, therefore, your job is to remind them. Sure, you can reiterate your faith in their abilities. In the 5th paragraph, this is a part of closing remarks and encouragement. Remind the recipient that brighter days are ahead. Remind them that this one shall pass too. For example, you may write, in the darkest moments, remember that there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Besides that, you can reiterate your belief in their resilience and abilities. For example, as, your determination and positive spirit will guide you through. And brighter days lie ahead. Lastly, you can offer a final message of encouragement and strength. This show be powerful and impressive and full of encouragement. Simply, you can write, stay strong, keep moving forward, and never underestimate your own resilience. You've got this. Imagine the recipient smiling reading this. You are doing the good thing. And finally, for the closing, use a warm closing, such as, with warm regards, or, with unwavering support, or with warm regards and unwavering support. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write an encouragement letter step by step. I hope your favorite people do the same to you in your hardships. Thank you for watching. Stay strong and see you on top, bestie.